Welcome to our mini English vocabulary quiz. Get ready to test your word power. Let's begin. First word, ephemeral. What does it mean? Na, lasting for a very short time. NB, strong and powerful. Unc, beautiful and delicate. The correct answer is A, lasting for a very short time. For example, the beauty of a cherry blossom is ephemeral. Next word, ubiquitous. What does it mean? Na, rare and hard to find. NB, present, appearing, or found everywhere. SC, loud and noisy. The correct answer is B, present, appearing, or found everywhere. For instance, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Question 3. Malleable. Does it mean? Na, easily influenced. Pliable, unb, stubborn and inflexible. NC, bright and shiny. The correct answer is A, easily influenced, pliable. Gold is a very malleable metal. Our fourth word is serendipity. What is it? Na, a feeling of great sadness. Unb, the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. NC, a type of sweet dessert. The correct answer is B, the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Finding a $20 bill on the street was a moment of serendipity. Last question, eloquent. What does it mean? Na, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Unb, shy and reserved. NC, complicated and difficult to understand. The correct answer is A, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. The speaker gave an eloquent speech that moved the audience. That's all for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.